Hey everyone, welcome back to MVP Auto. Today we're taking a closer look at one of the most futuristic and luxurious motorhomes hitting the roads in 2026, the Mercedes Armadillo. This isn't just a step forward in RV design, this is a full leap into the future of mobile living. Let's dive into what makes this thing so special. Right off the bat, the exterior design is something that demands attention. The Armadillo name isn't just for show, the exterior shell has a unique segmented design that looks like high-tech armor. Think sleek, aerodynamic lines with adaptive panels that actually shift to optimize airflow and solar energy absorption. The front end is bold, with signature LED lighting and a panoramic windshield that wraps around for unbeatable visibility. And yes, it's riding high on custom 22-inch alloys, giving it that aggressive but classy stance you expect from Mercedes. Step inside, and it's basically a 5-star hotel on wheels. The interior is packed with luxury and smart tech from top to bottom. You've got real wood finishes, ambient LED lighting throughout, and suede-lined walls that help with sound insulation. The main living area includes a convertible lounge with a 65-inch OLED display, hidden surround sound, and climate zones you can control with your voice or the central touchscreen. The kitchen, fully loaded, we're talking an induction cooktop, smart refrigerator, convection oven, and even a built-in espresso machine. It's compact, but incredibly efficient. There's also a full bathroom with a rainfall shower and heated flooring. And for sleeping, the rear slides out to reveal a king-size memory foam bed with privacy glass and blackout shades. Mercedes didn't cut corners, this is legit luxury. When it comes to performance, the Armadillo is built on a custom Mercedes electric platform with dual motors pushing out 540 horsepower. It goes from 0 to 60 in under 6.5 seconds, which is wild for a motorhome of this size. You're looking at an estimated range of 380 miles on a full charge, with solar panels on the roof providing up to 15% trickle charge during the day. All-wheel drive comes standard, along with adaptive air suspension, lane assist, 360-degree cameras, and even level 3 autonomous driving capabilities. Now, let's talk numbers. The starting price for the 2026 Mercedes Armadillo is around $248,000. Fully loaded, with all the high-end options and extended battery pack, you're looking closer to $285,000. Expensive, absolutely, but for what it delivers, especially with the tech and performance package, it's not outrageous. This isn't just a vehicle, it's a lifestyle upgrade for people who want freedom without sacrificing comfort. So what do you think? Is the Mercedes Armadillo your dream mobile home or just a wild concept that's ahead of its time? Drop your thoughts in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell so you don't miss out on the latest auto tech and reviews. Thanks for watching MVP Auto, we'll see you on the next one.